Okay. Gosh.
Alright.
It's on. That's a lot of stuff.
Yes.
Yeah.
Testing. Ooh.
Open that up.
Oh, the drill's
quite a bit, yeah. You can just lay it down really anywhere.
Oh.
All right. Okay. Hello. Have a seat.
Hello, testing. Audio test.
Audio test. Should I talk? Try talking?
Testing. 1, 2, 3.
That should be fine-ish. That's close to alright. Yeah. Should I pause the vlog too? Alright, there. Okay. Welcome to my garage.
Okay, thank you.
This is where we're gonna be. Toast wants to build a robot dog.
Yes.
I can't say no to that. So, yeah, we can just fucking do it here. This PC, I use that to like look at chat.
Okay.
I use this one to mess with OBS.
Got it.
That thing up there is like an Amazon Fire tablet, because Streamlabs is expensive, right?
Right.
Or the Stream Decks. They're like $200 for like the nice ones.
Uh-huh.
So instead, I got the Amazon Fire tablet for $50, and I installed touchpad on it, or Touch Portal or some shit.
Okay.
And so that is wirelessly. It works like a instead of having a Stream Deck, you switch scenes with that.
So if I type bench.
Yeah. This is the bench.
That's the bench.
Yeah.
That's the top down.
Top down. Let me show you about top down. You know what? Let me take this box from you first.
Oh, okay.
I'll take the box from you. I'll give you this, and you can mess around with that.
Can it hit the monitor?
Oh yes, absolutely. You can hit the
Oh,
monitor.
so we're trying to avoid hitting the monitor.
Yeah. Hold X for fast mode. The
X.
left stick is up and down for the camera.
Wow.
So this will give us the top-down view of the robot.
The robot.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
It used to be the surgery machine, and now it's...
Oh.
Yeah, I just transformed it into this. Because it was just collecting dust, and I had nothing better to do.
So what's the controller hooked up to? Is it the PC? Or?
Yeah, it's running off the PC. That's your like your bounds thing. I forgot to flip the Y, but it's essentially the same software that the surgery robot had, but the input is now the controller. And I just did that on stream. I made like a plate, the up and down plate, something that the camera could attach to.
Okay, very cool. All right.
So this is for, you know, like if you want a top down of the robot dog.
So Michael,
yeah,
today we'll be building a robot dog. So I ordered some parts online.
Yeah.
Someone messaged me saying, "Hey, I work for Boston Dynamics."
Yeah.
And said, "I can't get you a free dog, but I can give you like instructions on how to make a dog."
Okay.
And I replied to him, "Fuck off, I want the dog." And that's why I replied, and he didn't respond to that. And then after a month, I'm like, actually, the actual spot dog is gonna take like half a year to get here.
Yeah, which sucks.
Yes.
Yeah.
So in the meantime, we couldn't make our own dog, so I ended up taking his advice and looking up on how to build a robot dog.
Oh, okay.
But I can't really understand how to build it, so I bought the parts.
Okay.
And for you to build.
Oh, okay.
Got it.
That's what I thought.
So there's a lot of stuff in here that I have no idea what it
I'm
does.
gonna clear out this nice table for you to.
There's like carbon fiber plates.
Yeah.
This thing, do you know what this is?
Oh. No. Wait, Popper PDB. This is just like a breakout thing for the Pi, I think. I don't think there's actually anything like of value on this. It might be to connect little motor drivers onto. Yeah.
An SD card for the brain.
Okay, I know what that is.
Okay. This thing.
Oh, I know what that is.
What is that?
It's for, you hook it up to the LiPo to monitor its power so it doesn't explode.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because they do be exploding.
I think this is carbon fiber as well. Carbon fiber dog legs.
Did the guy like tell you how to do this?
There's a website with the parts.
Oh, fuck. That's sick.
Yes.
It's so light.
Carbon fiber legs for the dog, to make it sturdy.
Yeah.
And
And light.
Alright, those are the dog legs.
Okay.
What else I got in here? I got screwdrivers, in case you don't have any.
Yeah.
I brought some. LiPo battery?
Yeah, that's definitely a battery.
So, could you explain to me what a LiPo battery is?
It's just like a high power density battery. You got one in your phone, you got one in most small electrical devices.
And you can overcharge this.
You can, yeah. But so that's why you have like really nice charging things. Like really nice chargers so you don't overcharge them, they don't explode. And even this is like while it's running. You plug this into it to monitor that it's not getting too low on power. And that's a big.
So why do they have it like?
You can leave the thing.
Oh, they'll leave this on.
I think so.
Okay, got it. So like, we can't overcharge our laptops.
Yeah.
And our phones.
Yes.
Why can't you overcharge this?
So our laptops and phones they do have the same battery, but they also have charging circuits inside of them that monitor how far the charge is going. And so it prevents it from overcharging. It like disconnects the charging as soon as it gets to like 100. So it like monitors.
Okay. A bunch of screwdrivers, the chassis for the body.
Okay.
And I think like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead. 12 servos?
Hey, so how advanced is this dog? It hasn't really dawned on me how complex we're getting.
Like, looking at these parts, what are you expecting here?
I've never seen that many servos in one place.
Oh, no, it's a robot dog.
How much does this cost?
I think $1,000.
Holy shit.
The Raspberry Pi. Now, I've never used Raspberry Pi. I understand it's like a small computer.
Yeah, just a small computer.
Just a small computer.
Small computer with like some pins on it.
And finally, what's this thing? Oh, the charger for the Raspberry Pi, I think.
Yeah, something like that.
Okay.
It's a 4. That's the new one. Okay.
So, I brought the stuff. Servos.
Man, that's a lot of. Okay. All right. Well.
So,
That's a lot of stuff.
if you could do your thing.
Just do your thing. Do we have a control or an instruction manual?
Yes. If you go to Google,
Yeah. Okay.
I think it's from a student at Stanford. I think you type Pupper Stanford. Pupper.
No, I'm not. I think it's Popper.
Yeah. Is it bugged? Is it glitching?
No. The more gifted subs it is, the more seconds it goes for. That's kind of the idea.
Got it.
Yeah. So. We're building that.
Yes.
That's kind of cute.
So if you look at, the documentation, there you go.
Small quad. Okay. All right.
It's a small robot dog.
Dude, it's fucking adorable. What Okay, it doesn't look like that complex, right?
Yeah, because I got the pre-soldered version, so we don't have to do like the soldering.
Okay.
We just have, it's kind of like Legos almost, I imagine.
Just throw it together, right? Just
Yeah.
fucking throw it together. Pre-made kit. Assembly. Okay.
Yeah, that's step one.
All right. Attach a servo horn, not disc, to the servo. Okay. Okay. Wow, this is a good picture. Grab a servo.
Okay.
Okay.
So what does a servo do?
The servo motor's like, it's a motor that you can control very accurately the like degrees it can turn to.
Okay.
Usually it's like between 180 and 360 is the degrees. You can
my
fine
God.
control out of it. It usually just can't go over like 360 degrees.
Okay.
Oh my God, these are so nice. Okay.
Okay.
Maybe a top down. Maybe I bought this for nothing. Okay. All right. Servo motor. Attach the servo horn to the servo motor. So it looks like, just fucking throwing the pieces out. So, okay, preparing the assembly. Easy step. Is that this? It looks like these are the servo horns. Are they?
I mean, looks like it. 4 dots.
4 dots. Is it that? Or
Silver
that?
looking.
Yeah, that is silver looking.
Yeah.
I don't know. It looks like slightly. No, this is definitely for it. Okay. All right. Okay. I assume we just want like one of these. All right. Okay. So the idea is pop that on there, and then just get a screw, and then pop that on there. And I'll get like a screwdriver.
Attach a servo horn, not this, to the servo. And turn the servo into its neutral position, and then remove the servo horn?
Sorry, wait, what? Oh. Align the servo. Wait. Not disc.
Not this.
Okay, attach the servo horn, not disc, to the servo, and turn the servo to its neutral position. So,
How do you know if it's neutral?
I don't know what a neutral position is. Like, okay, so here's you can feel the limits. Like,
Yeah, so...
that's the full limit, and then you turn right.
Oh.
And then there's a hard limit.
So, yeah. So we want to find the neutral position.
Neutral position. Okay, position. Neutral. What is a neutral servo position?
Neutral.
They're saying 48, 50.
But how would we know?
Do they mean like middle? Is it middle position?
I think they're just counting up.
Oh, they're lying.
It's 48.
Oh, it's just they're
the
useless.
number's just going up.
Got it. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Servo. New. How do you spell? Yeah, spell neutral. How do I know? Wait, what is a servo? Set neutral position. How does servo motors work? What is the neutral position? Oh, the position between where the servo has exactly the same amount of potential rotation. Okay, so it's the exact middle position. Fucking camera turn. It'll just turn off, you know?
Oh.
Yeah, momentarily, and you just swap it back on, and it's fine.
Okay, so neutral. So this is the limit on one end.
Yeah.
And this is the limit on the other end.
Maybe they assume it's like the exact, like you just estimate, you know, where the
center is?
Yeah, where the center is.
All right.
That's fucking
1, 2, 2. So it should be about a 1. Yeah, I mean, I think I got it close to the middle.
Yeah. Okay. All right. That's good. Oh, that camera's not. Okay, that's epic. Yeah, the wireless HDMI is kind of a pain in the ass. I gotta say you can like move the camera anywhere without any wires, but it's just gonna be sitting there. Fuck. Hey, buddy. There, put that. Hello? Why is it getting that?
Right. Neutral position.
Okay.
Oh, you're gonna go with the webcam?
Yeah, I'm just gonna fuck it. Reject modernity. Use the webcam. Okay.
Ooh, perfect.
Yeah, not too bad. Okay. Okay, thank you, fucking DSLR.
You nailed it.
Okay. So these are like the...
Yes, I'm putting them in the neutral position.
Okay, they're all in the middle. And then it's asking you to attach the servo, align this disc, servo set, roughly at 95-degree mark. So the holes are at roughly the 95-degree mark. Holy shit, you have to set this up well. So I think the idea is, yeah, okay. So it's where like, what did it say? Tiny dab block 10 on the screw. So it's,
so you want to screw it in.
yeah. Trying to, like, so the holes are like that?
Yeah.
That's how it is, okay. Roughly at 95 degrees, okay. Okay. And then it's...
So it says a tiny dab of Loctite?
Loctite, yeah, that's,
What's
that's
Loctite?
what this is.
Oh.
Well, it's just like, it's like screw glue. It's so the screws don't come out after a while.
Oh.
Like vibration or fucking whatever.
Are we doing this for every servo? There's 12 servos here.
Yeah, you bought like a real ass. I really thought you were gonna come to me with like a $50 Chinese.
Oh, you thought
like,
I was gonna come with you with like
Build-A-Bear workshop kind of
like a Lego
thing.
set.
Yeah, like a Lego set.
Ah.
I wasn't expecting like a Stanford documentation article on it. Man, I like building stuff. So. Okay, wait, is it asking us to do this for all the servos? It looks like... Dude, I don't read so fast.
Okay.
Video instructions.
Well, it's just that, I mean, technically, you just do it for one?
Just do it, I think just do it for one.
One,
for
and then
now.
we'll see what happens.
Poorly manufactured. So if that's the case for you, torque to stop. Yeah, how does that look now? Yeah, that's whatever. Okay.
So we have a one servo here.
Okay, so this is applying Loctite to screws. So you might get a little screw out of here. And as far as I understand Loctite, it's just kind of like take it and just kind of get it on the threads.
Like on the
on the
spirally
threads.
parts.
Yeah. Take it, get it on there, and screw the guy in.
What? Like, is it this blue stuff?
It's the blue stuff,
It's
yeah.
the blue
It's
stuff.
squeezed out kind of a little bit.
Oh, okay. So you just like that?
You want to get it on the sides.
Like this. I got some on my finger.
That's
Is that
fine.
okay? It's not toxic.
It's mostly not toxic. You don't eat with your fingers. That's fine.
And then, okay.
Yeah. And then you can just
And then I just screw this
hit
in.
it with the old precision screwdriver. Let me start threading the screw in. Okay. This will cause the disc to sink into the whole spline. Some of the servo discs are poorly manufactured, so that's it. Don't expect. Oh my. Not too much torque, not too little torque. Thank you, Stanford.
Okay.
That's very. Place the insert into the hole with a tapered side down. How did he get from this? Okay.
Install the M3 threaded. Oh, I think that part's done. So it's talking about this, but we have it pre-inserted. So like.
Oh, nice.
Yes. So we can skip that.
I see what you mean. Okay, that's badass. Okay. Okay, done. It looks like we're attaching this to this. So I think the idea is, that facing like that way.
Is this it, right?
Yeah, that way.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly. Somehow. Oh, yeah.
And then you screw it on.
Screw it on
with
a small screwdriver. Yeah, you want 4. But you want these specific screws. You want M3X8 flatheads.
M3X8 flatheads. M3, that's 10, 6, 10.
M3X8.
M3X.
Flathead. Yeah, well,
Flat. Okay.
Yeah,
That's
perfect.
these.
And I think what makes it better is the way you get through the holes is the other screwdrivers they gave you.
Oh.
Yeah, because these are like skinny enough to get to it. And these are like, oh no, those are, I get it. Those are, I have a thing for that.
Oh, you thread through the hole here.
I like that a lot more.
Okay, so, Jesus Christ. Okay. So, you put it here.
Yeah.
And you put.
Yeah, you put your screw in. You can line up with your servo horn.
It's kind of deep. Okay.
Yeah.
And then
you kind of just give it the old razzle dazzle with this thing. Oh, it's quite a nice fit. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Repeat it 4 more times.
Put the screws in the holes.
Countersunk.
In this hole. Has it dawned on you like how long the entire thing is going to take to put together? Well, I imagine it'd be like 3 to 4 hours.
Yeah.
Is that optimistic?
I was thinking longer.
You thinking longer?
I don't know. It seems like the complexity is pretty high, and we've not even done attaching one thing to one servo in like 20 minutes. So, but maybe we'll learn as it goes on.
Yes.
Did they have like usually builds have like an estimated time frame?
Well, with the soldering, I think their estimate was like 12 hours. But it comes pre-soldered and the inserts are inserted for you, so I'm thinking we're saving like a good 8 hours.
You think we're gonna burn 8 hours off of just the... Okay, I like it. That's a reasonable time to shoot for.
Okay. All right.
This is a big battery.
It's a pretty big dog.
Okay, all right. Okay,
all right.
Done. That, fucking done. Done.
Oh, that's one for the right side.
Okay, so we do the same thing but opposite.
Right? Yeah.
Is that right? Okay, so that's
side,
facing left,
right
that's facing
side.
right. Okay, yeah.
Kind of wish they said like how many.
Yeah, to do
of
it
these.
twice. You
Yes.
would really. I feel like we're gonna run into that a lot more as we
Okay,
keep
well,
going with this.
I can do the manual work. You can do more of the intellectual stuff.
Okay. Like turning a servo to the middle point.
Okay. I think I turned it.
Oh, you turned another one?
I think so. I don't remember.
Is robotics something you like did as a child?
Never.
Like, what was the extent of your building, time? Like Legos, Mega Blocks?
Legos, I once made a LED light turn on with Arduino.
Oh, yeah.
And that's it.
Oh, yeah, that one's fun.
That is completely it. My robotics is very non-existent. It's mostly software.
That's reasonable. And you did mostly like internal tool stuff for software?
Mobile apps was my
Oh,
expertise.
About that. Was that your job for like the banking stuff?
The bank, I was a web developer, but that again was mostly just Googling WordPress templates. Yeah, robotics always seemed too complicated for me because of like the resistor stuff. I never really got resistors. Like,
I'm not even that good at electronics. Is the weird thing. Like, I don't even know what like a capacitor really does.
yeah, what is a capacitor?
It like
from your understanding?
holds charge. It's like a battery, but it's able to expel charge a lot faster. I usually the reason I use them is like I'll see like a circuit isn't working, I'll be like, oh fuck, maybe I should put a capacitor here, and then sometimes it works, and I'm not really sure why, but it just does sometimes. I don't know a lot about electronics. Ah, fuck.
You got Loctite, Loctite.
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 I got a feeling that's...
How many of these are we doing? Because I don't want to do mine and then it's like, oh, you
just had to do.
You just have to do two. One's for the left side, one's for the right side. I mean, it looks like it's literally just two. Like one left, one right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fuck it. Yeah, one left, one right.
Yeah, one left, one right. So we have one side, and you just do it for the other side.
Yeah, I think that's the idea. Okay. Can I like put that screw onto there?
Yes.
There. I'm gonna just scroll a little down to see if we need to do a bunch more. Okay, instructions. Preparing for assembly. No, it looks like this is like kind of reasonably, yeah.
Yeah, it's not like insanely complicated.
Yeah, it's not insanely complicated. It's fine. It's fine.
Yeah. And then we put this on the opposite side. Oh.
Yeah.
So when it faces this way.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Okay.
Where's the screws?
The flathead.
Yeah, the flathead.
It was right here. No, it's not. No, not those.
I got the big table so it like you could lay everything out. Oh, here. Yeah.
Okay, got it. Puppies. Oh, that's not fine. That's right.
Actually, here, I can put the flatheads in. You can screw them down with that. Really tight.
Okay. I'll hold it down.
Okay.
You've seen.
Yeah.
You're better at this.
Thank you for the 10 gifted subs. Sometimes when
that's a 10 subber.
I don't know. Sometimes I don't know. I can't read this far away.
Okay.
So when I don't know, sometimes I'll say thank you for the however many I think it is gifted subs. Also, I can't read too good in the first place, so I like to just like kind of mumble the letters that I see out, and usually it's like they're like, read the name.
Wow, you have a lot of people subbing. Most of it was Prime. Yeah, actually, all of it was Prime. Your last 7 subs are Twitch Primes.
Oh, is that like? I mean, that's like kind of natural, right? Because most subs are Twitch Prime.
Yeah.
Right?
I mean, Twitch Prime is like a relatively new thing. They
Really?
started like 2 years ago.
Oh.
2 years. Like when I first started streaming, Twitch Prime wasn't a thing. And then Amazon's like, well, everyone gets it for free if you have Amazon Prime.
That's fucking.
Yeah,
it's just like a really good
literally
incentive.
free money.
Yeah.
I'm looking around the table and I'm realizing there's a lot of screws.
Oh yeah, there's a shit ton of parts.
There's a lot of screws.
I'm kind of glad I did it down here instead of upstairs, because there's like, you know, the room of the table down here, and a shit ton of tools, and this is gonna take a minute. We can like revisit the whole estimation thing.
Yeah. This might be a two-parter.
yeah, it might be a two-parter or a 4 a.m.er. Just fucking do our 24-hour stream right now.
Okay.
Okay, hip
got
joints
the parts.
done. I think that's. I wonder if this thing's even working. Okay, sick.
So we got 2 hip.
Yeah, 2 hip joints. Then
Yeah.
We have. Okay, hip joints part. Maybe on this guy. Yeah. The fuck is the dog? Well, did the guy tell you like how close this was to the actual Boston Dynamics dog?
Well, it has 4 legs and it can like
Move.
And that's what we're gonna use the Boston Dynamic dog for anyway.
True, yeah. That's kind of cool. It's cool that I'm sure it's just like some Stanford kid who just
Yes, I think one of the graduate students
ran
did
out
this.
and decided to build them themselves. Okay, installing the inner hip servo. Instructions, materials, inner hip servo. Okay, materials, inner hip assembly so far. Wait. Okay, we need M4 by 10 screws for plastic. They are silver. Okay, M4 by 10 screws. So, I think it's these. Okay, those. And then M3 by 16 button heads. Yeah. Wait. Button head 2X standoff. It looks like this. That's not what it is.
So we get 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because we gotta do it to each side. So 4 of these, and then M316 and 2 standoff.
M3 by 16.
316, 310. Like 3.
Those are kind of noticeable, right? M3 by 16. Shoulder down. No, that's not it. Okay.
316. It would be hilarious if they actually just forget to give us one specific screw.
This is like a personal built kit. The box that it came in is just shit thrown together in a random cardboard box. Which I kind of like. 20mm standoff. There's no fucking way. M3 by 10. No. Okay.
16.
16.
It's got to be here somewhere, right?
Button. Yeah. It must be. Okay. We'll just start. Okay, we start throwing trash away.
Okay.
Trash away. Just throw in the box. We can start. Get it out of here. We can start moving.
Throw this out here.
Let me get these all together. I'll put those there. We'll put this here. Put that there.
Maybe one of it was mislabeled.
Okay, those sit there. What's the electronics section? Because like none of these look like there's. Oh wait. Oh, the one's right in front of us.
Oh, well, it was confusing because it had 0.5 first, and then the 16's in the back. So.
Wait, is that the?
I think so.
I think it is. Yeah. Button head screws. That's definitely it. Yeah, okay. And then 2 standoffs.
Standoffs.
Yeah. They look like that.
Like little plastic nubs.
Kind of.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Maybe I feel like let me add a display capture.
Ball ends, bearings, sockets, standoffs, shoulder bolts.
That's what we're like looking at. Yeah, this is what we're looking at. Standoffs. They're like little, like kind of like metal. Like, does it say how long the standoffs are?
Like cylindrical.
Cylindrical things.
Cylindrical.
Yeah. Standoff. Here's into standoff. So they're M3 standoffs. These are M3 standoffs.
Oh, I guess.
I mean, they're bright green.
Oh, it says standoff. So.
I mean, yeah, it's 20 millimeters. It's M3 too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I can't find it.
2, 3, 4. All right.
All right, okay.
So we got our standoffs.
Okay. Standoffs, go with, okay, completed step.
Wow, they just kind of skipped.
Bro, what the fuck?
Here's the part, and here's the final product.
The rest of the fucking stuff.
Okay. I mean, the servo goes into, oh shit. The servo goes into this thing.
Yeah.
Like,
yeah,
like
just
that.
in like that.
Just like that.
And then,
And it goes, yeah. All right.
in like, yeah, just in like that. And then,
Like, are we, we're supposed to fasten this.
yes, yeah. Wait. How many of these do we have? 4 of?
Well, it said 2 each side. So,
2 each side.
like, because when you look up, it's like,
Dude, are we gonna have to do these to both of these? Because I think this is the amount of parts you need for.
1.
Is it just for 1?
Yeah.
Oh.
But we do it on each side, right?
Oh.
I would assume we do it 1 on each side.
I assume that also. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay.
And your camera's humming.
Yeah, and it's the motor. It's like they're trying to find like the right spot. It's like a PID loop. So they're trying to find the right spot, and sometimes they overshoot the spot.
Okay.
And it's like an infinite.
Oh, it's
like,
trying
in
to
between.
yeah.
Sometimes you just gotta give it a little smack. Okay, so I think the idea is you take these screws, right?
Yes.
And you put them through like this, and I think the idea is you.
What about the bottom?
Yeah, so that's what I was thinking. Like, why doesn't the bottom have an attached? Well, maybe, actually, now that I think about it, we probably do it like way later. Because this is like. Because this is from the.
Oh. So the bottom half has the silver screws, and the top half has the black screws.
I guess. But at what point did we. Oh, yeah. I think that's the idea. Oh, yeah. That's
Okay.
it. That's it.
Okay.
That's it. 100%. 100%. So, okay.
Step
1, 2. Oh.
It's
Okay. Yeah, it's that. It's kind of hard to line up.
yeah,
honestly.
yeah.
Oh,
Okay, so like this, and then we. Oh, fuck.
I usually have the headphones on when the drill is in the background. And you think it would get easier, but it never does.
Right, this is.
Oh yeah, those are the right standoff. They're just bright anodized green for us. Holy shit, that needs to start that.
So I'm just going these in.
Oh wait, it said, wait, I'm remembering something.
Oh.
don't forget to use Loctite.
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 What's the worst thing that can happen if we don't use Loctite?
I guess it comes out and then you have to like take the whole robot apart.
Okay, okay. All right. Okay.
Okay, well, you don't have to. I don't think you have to fully undo it.
Okay,
Instead,
but
just like kind of expose the threads and then dip the Loctite on it. So like, oh, bitch.
yeah. Maybe okay. If we get a small bowl and we can pour the Loctite in, and we can dip it like a,
okay.
chicken nugget.
Yeah. This is a magnetic bowl
Oh.
used for keeping like screws and shit in. But
Okay.
just-
Oh.
Yeah, it's
very
nice.
cool.
Yeah, so we'll just dip it like a McDonald's chicken.
Oh
nugget sauce.
my. Okay, so you just like. It's trying to take the screw from me.
Oh yeah, it is.
Oh.
No, it's never ever gonna come out of the...
Oh, it's also magnetically drawn
on the base. Oh,
to the
yeah,
table.
The pliers.
Okay. The chat can see the fact that it's magnetic, so they think I'm fucking moral. Like, a pig.
You're the least dexterous dude.
Okay, I got it. Okay. Okay.
Just put it in. Just remember to use a little dab of Loctite.
Okay, alright. And Loctite is non-toxic.
I think it is toxic.
Ah.
No directions, blah blah blah. You know what? I actually don't see like a poison hotline.
Okay, I mean legally they have to.
May cause allergic skin reaction, eye irritant. Please read back panel.
Well, I don't. It doesn't feel allergic.
Sure. Avoid eye and skin contact.
Skin contact?
I think it's more like lots of things can mess with your...
Yeah, I mean, I don't feel like weird or anything.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So I just want just a dab,
Yeah, like
just a little dabberoo here.
Dabberoo of thread locker. Okay. That screw is never ever gonna come out. Atomically fused.
Okay, so how does this threaded thing work?
How does what threaded thing work?
This.
Oh yeah, so it's tapped at the end. So yeah, you just gotta screw it on. Oh, you should probably apply pressure like from the other side.
Oh.
Yeah, and then just screw it on with like your finger or whatever.
Oh, okay. Oh,
How's that kind of looking at us?
Weird.
Yeah, I'm glad I put the top down. Okay. And then I think I doubt you need to use Loctite for these, but I'll
Just in case.
yeah, just in case. Pop it in like that, kind of thing. It's a really weird screwdriver. Okay, that's a shit ton of Loctite.
Oh, you. Michael, are you okay?
I see what you mean. I'm not looking like a jacket. Just clean it up. There we go. That is a weird screwdriver bit.
Oh, wait.
Huh? It's a star bit. Huh?
You went from the bottom. I went from the top.
Oh. I think it is from...
Oh, you... What's the other one?
Apes together, strong. Strong. That's weird. Oh, I see.
Flipped over.
I see. I got it. Really? Pretty just like normal 3D printed parts too. The black parts.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Yep. That can never even happen. Okay, that's fine. All right. After that, servo horn and inner hip servo. Let's just looking. Same shit, right? Okay.
Yeah. It's on the other side.
Install servo horn and inner hip servo. Turn servo to its neutral position inside the. In neutral position and slide the horn at the. Okay, so we first turn the servo like
into its neutral position.
Yeah, with one of these or whatever. I prefer. Okay, that's neutral position. That's fully right. And that's fully left. And that's somewhere in the middle then.
Okay, got it.
Okay. It's neutral. Then we attach that. Screw the. So we need to find that thing.
The horn.
Yeah, that.
No. It has holes in it.
Yeah, it looks similar to these.
Could be. No, I don't think it's one of these. Actually, that's the one. It's one of these. It's getting closer. I don't know if.
I feel like it must be like metal or stronger plastic. But also they lied to us about the color of the risers already. Oh, it's just the same horn things?
Yeah. Okay. They come with all the servos.
Okay.
I don't know if it could be anything else.
When it can only be one thing, then fuck.
It looks a little different though. Like
Yeah,
this compared to that.
It really does.
And this. But, I mean, it's supposed to be able to fit on this, right?
Yes.
So, I guess it has to be this. Because this one's designed to go on one of these.
I guess.
It's just so much shorter.
Yeah, it is, right? And it is not as, like it has,
I mean...
I guess it has the same, the holes look smaller too.
Yeah, that kind of worries me.
Could it be a 3D printed part? The drill is passing away soon. No, those are like all the same kind of means.
It has to be it. Process of elimination.
I guess, but that's weird. And also well, maybe we should look what it's for. Dude, it looks so different. Okay, so it attaches this thing.
Oh. I mean,
You can probably, it's probably fine.
like this is supposed to attach to one of the one of these. Am I missing parts? No, I'm not missing parts. Am I?
One of those guys. One of the weird swoochy at the bottom things. Like that? You see how it has like a divot? Look, it looks like that thing's made for it. It really does.
There's no way I'm missing like an entire bag.
Yeah, there's no
baggie
way.
of stuff.
Oh, the drill pass. I doubt that face. Not that. No. No. Nah.
Let me check the packaging.
Okay. Let me sit in here. This, right? Okay. This. God, this camera's fucking sick. Must connect to one of these sort of kind of looking things, right? Oh, Jesus. Is it this? None of this looks right. None of this is the same. Huh. That does not look like that. Right? Oh, drill chan pass? Yeah, let me fix the batteries for you. Give me one sec, Be right back.
I think we have all the parts.
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah. Maybe it just looks a little different.
Wait, what happened to the camera? Ah. Got it. Okay, I was looking at this. And do we even have anything that looks similar to that? You see this, right?
I see it.
And like how it has that little...
we have this.
Right,
The bottom part.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, we have the bottom part.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Wait, okay, yeah, that's definitely the bottom part.
Yes. And like this looks a little weird, but I think it's just a little differently printed.
A little different, but this one has like this whole ass.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I think this thing is supposed to...
Okay.
Boom.
Okay. And this thing attaches to...
See, that's where I'm struggling a little bit.
Maybe this thing attaches to this thing.
But it doesn't say to do that in the
I know.
instructions, which kind of scares
Yeah,
me.
it's kind of concerning.
Yeah, but like...
Is that not an instruction manual? Is it
No,
just a
no.
parts
This
list?
is the list of parts. I feel like we have all the parts.
Yeah. It's just like, they've already changed up like the color of this, right?
Yeah.
And it's different.
Because these parts are from like a third party. And I looked at the website, it's actually like a 70-year-old man with his wife.
Oh, that's...
It's very cute.
That's epic. Maybe not the type of people who should be selling robotics.
So the way they make money is they just like order the parts for the nerdy kids.
Oh,
And they
like,
flip it for a profit.
They're like drop shippers. Kinda.
Exactly.
Okay.
I don't think they would scam us.
Yeah, no.
But
It does beg the question, like...
I think it's this connected to this somehow.
Okay, the only way that connects to that is through that. And actually, like, okay, we can like count these. How many of these are there? It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12. Okay, so if we only have 12 servos,
yes,
then we have enough of these for every single servo.
That makes sense to me.
That makes sense, right?
We're supposed to attach this to
We're supposed to attach this to every single thing. I'm on board. Listen, I don't know how else.
Yeah, we don't really have a choice here.
Yeah, we're kind of free balling the kit.
Do they have video instructions?
Let's see it.
I could have sworn, like, go off a little bit. Yeah, this part. They have video instruction. What do they do? Okay, see. See. His is already.
Oh
attached.
yeah, his has like a big ass thing. His is the right thing as well.
Yeah,
we don't have that.
We're doing a different version of that.
Yeah, ours doesn't fucking look like that.
But we have the ability to make something that kind of looks like that.
Yeah, it's very similar.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe we're just supposed to connect the dots.
Yes.
Okay, all right. Fuck it. So we should probably do the whole like.
I neutral this.
Neutral. Okay. I'm gonna neutral this. Come on.
God, I feel like if we don't neutral it, the dog's gonna have walking problems.
He 100% is.
Fuck. Why don't they make servo that's 360, and you can just spin it around?
Spin it around. Oh, constantly? They do, but they're like, I think a little harder to calibrate.
Oh my fucking god. I need my Loctite.
I need my Loctite.
Okay, mine is definitely in the neutral position.
Oh, okay, wait. So if this is here, this is here, then this should be a little. Okay. Yeah, I feel like if I fuck up the alignment, that there, so that there. It's like, I mean, it's not perfectly 180 either. Have you noticed? It goes a little over 180. Okay. How are you doing yours? Are you doing yours like 45 kind of degrees thing?
Kinda. Like, it can go equally to the left and to the right.
Yeah.
And like, I just try and line it up like this, right? Like,
After,
like the number 4 on a dice.
Yeah. Okay.
So I'm trying to figure out like how he positioned this thing relative to.
Yeah. That is.
Was it?
I mean, if we're going off of this guy's, that.
See, I don't have that luxury. Mine is just directly down or directly to the left.
Oh.
So neutral position. Are we sure that's the center?
Are we sure neutral position is the center?
Yes. That like it can equally go left and right, and that's the
something else we could do is have it be at neutral position and then change like where we put that on. That's another option.
That makes a lot of sense.
I'm afraid to do this with Loctite because I feel like I'm afraid.
Oh, I hope this still comes out.
Goodbye neutral position. Yeah, Loctite takes a while.
Okay. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. It's not coming out my tongue.
Okay, maybe the other screwdriver.
This one?
Yeah. Oh wait, that's the star bit.
Yeah. Michael, it's not coming out. You just have to press down really hard, guys. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, is it that we just put it on a different way? Is that the solution?
That makes sense to me.
Makes sense to me. All right.
Like what you said makes a lot of sense.
Completely fucking disabled. Its hind legs are not gonna work. I'm gonna give it a front option.
Okay, neutral position. Neutral. So we half it, and then we put it at an angle.
And is that my screw?
Okay. And then we put it at an angle, and then we screw it in the center.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
So you're at like a. Are you at like a? Yeah. So we're doing like a cross.
Yes.
Okay. That's not too bad. And I assume that this one is the exact opposite of that one. Whatever, fuck it.
Okay, so
I guess we use the same screws that. Oh, thank you, Mimi, for the 10 gifted subs. Thank you, Mimi, for the 10 gifted subs. So the way it works is the Streamlabs API has a system where it tells you when the alerts pop up on stream instead of like right when it happens. So you know like the exact person who has triggered it.
Okay, so that makes sense because it's a mirror, right?
It's a mirror, yeah. So we're looking for the same screws, I guess
we just used?
Yeah.
Which are these? Which I feel like...
Oh, wait, is it... Wait, oh fuck. Is it those?
Yeah, because I feel like there's enough here for each of these.
Each of these to have 4, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does look like a shit ton of them. I love how we have to fucking wing the robotics kit. I don't know about how good our dog's gonna walk. Should probably get another screwdriver. I have another screwdriver upstairs. I'm fine.
I'm just trying to screw on his little stubby legs here. Like, we have to redo this, right? Because these are just 2 legs, and this dog has 4 legs. So why are we only doing 2 legs? I think we're just doing the hind legs first, and then we're doing the front legs later.
Fancy screwdrivers.
Oh. I didn't use Loctite for any of this.
I don't. I thought about
it's too much.
But no, we didn't even use Loctite for these guys, so it's fine. Like there's 4. What are the chances that 4 come out? I'm starting to understand why the Boston Dynamics dog is $75,000.
Shit. I have a problem.
Yeah, what's up?
How do we...
Oh, fuck!
How do we...
Yeah, I got it.
You see the problem.
I do. I got this. Do you think that the width of these screws...
it will reach?
It will not.
I don't know if it will. Probably not, because it doesn't have... Not only does it have to reach the gray, it has to reach the silver part, right?
Yeah, I mean... Here, let's see. Mine has less screws, so we can just see. Fuck, I took it off fucking neutral.
Okay, either we're missing...
Like a whole shit ton of parts, or they gave us a different style of kit.
But like leg-wise, I'm counting, like it all adds up.
Yeah.
2 for the front, 2 for the back, 2, and 2 like thighs. Like number-wise, everything adds up.
Yeah, it does.
So how do we attach this big fucker to the nubs?
I think...
Maybe a longer screw.
Yeah, it has to be a longer.
Yeah.
Because that doesn't have enough.
Yeah. We're just using its body parts from other like areas of the body.
Why is it so fucking... Okay, these are actually, look at that. 3x8. These ones are by 8. That's like a perfect length. Maybe it's the M3x8s. Here, I'll take all of those and I will put them back into this.
Why was it necessary to have these nubs then? You know what I'm saying?
Actually, yeah, that's a good question. Maybe we just do it without the nubs.
Oh, you're fucking genius.
What?
Like the nubs was unnecessary.
The nubs are unnecessary. But we still use these screws.
I mean, it makes it like, yeah, we don't need the nubs. There's no logical reason to use the nubs.
I feel like an archaeologist trying to decipher hieroglyphics. And there's a 90% chance you're just fucking wrong.
Yeah, no.
Yeah,
the
that's a
nubs
good
doesn't
size.
make sense.
Yeah, the nubs are out.
Yeah, nubs.
These are nice carbon fiber pieces. So. Back to my screws. And these are the perfect size. It's gotta be. This is what the ancient dog builders were trying to tell us.
You're finding the bones of an extinct animal?
Yeah, it's like how the T-Rex probably looks nothing like the T-Rex. Have you ever coded drunk or like slightly inebriated?
No, because I feel like I need to use all my brain power.
Have you ever heard of the Goldilocks zone?
No.
It's a place where programmers talk about where it's just the right level of. Someone says backwards. No,
Intoxication?
it's just the right level of intoxication where you're like. You code very like it goes. It's a graph of like up here Goldilocks zone, and then it drops instantly, and then you're drunk.
Have you tried to find that perfect?
I have tried.
Okay.
It usually leads to me just falling asleep. I haven't found it.
I figure it would be like the same as drunk Valorant, where like the amount of aggression you get from being drunk,
It kind of balances.
it balances out. But if you go too much, your aim starts being off.
Yeah.
Okay. See. Yeah, this makes sense. Like.
It's got it.
Yeah, the old couple helped us out by like saving us that extra step.
Yeah, it's kind of they're just saving us a step, and they didn't mention it, and we had to decipher it ourselves.
Yes.
That's okay. I mean, that's fine. Now we just have to
Attach the legs.
Yeah, exactly. You know what? Actually, I should probably. Yeah, that looks nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You can see like where the dog's legs yeah.
Yeah, you can see where it would go. Here swap these places. Suck my nuts. Okay. Alright, that helps. Okay. Yeah, so we're trying to attach.
Oh,
these
there's a lot of little metal things.
Those
I
are
don't
like
that.
those are bearings. Okay, so we've done this stuff, right? So we've gotten this part on.
Yes. Okay. So.
Oh, fuck.
Okay. Is there like a list of screws? Here we go.
Materials: bottom leg, top leg.
3-part thrust bearing, 2 shoulder bolts. So
The rust bearings are these guys.
I have the shoulder bolts.
Let me go back to top down. Okay, I like that actually. I'm gonna extend this arm.
2 shoulder bolts. And lock nut.
Oh, a lock nut?
A lock nut.
It's kind of like, you know how thread locker works? It comes with the plastic already in the nut.
Huh. Okay.
It's pretty cool.
Ball ends, lock nuts. Cushioning.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
Lock nut.
This camera's running out of battery. I'm just gonna pop a new one into
Bearing. Thrust, 3 parts thrust. Which you have. Does this come with a lock nut?
The lock nut? I also have, like, if we're missing any parts, I have a bunch in the garage.
Yes. 2, 3, 4. Okay. So all I need is a lock nut and a wrench for the lock nut.
You need wrenches.
Lock nut, lock.
Okay, save that
ball
shit.
bearing, cushion washers. Got the lock nut. Perfect.
Okay.
Yes, we have all the raw materials here.
Okay. So we're looking, okay. Test bearing, shoulder bolt, fuck. This is like, okay. These are thrust bearings, right?
Yeah, 2 sets.
2 sets each?
And
Is it
a
one?
shoulder bolt. Yeah,
Only
so
one
that's
lock?
yours.
Okay, so I guess we go to the screen. So we're gonna add 1 3-part thrust bearing
On the shoulder bolt. And then the bottom layer.
then another 3-part. Okay, let's just focus on the first part.
Okay.
Okay, so the way these come together is like bottom ring, middle bearing ring, top ring.
Oh, Jesus, okay.
I really don't want the little bearings to fall out.
Okay, so
Oh, they can fall out so fucking easy too.
it's like a hamburger almost.
Yeah, yeah. That's not like how a bearing works. Is it's just a bunch of little balls inside of something, and they just spin around in like a circle on a track, and that's how you get like circular motion without grinding.
So you make a little hamburger and you put it through the shoulder like this. Okay.
These are so cool.
And then get the second set.
Oh, this moves so well.
Okay. Then you put it here and you make your sandwich.
Okay.
Okay. Alright. Yeah?
Make a sandwich?
Yeah, make a sandwich. Have a sandwich.
Come on. Okay. Someday I'm gonna stop using that drill.
I was wanting to do like a Wheel of Fortune kind of deal.
Yeah?
So like every time someone subs, they spin the wheel, and like there's different things that will happen based on where the.
Oh, like that, but randomized.
Yes.
With a bunch of things.
So you might hit like activate drill, activate like water gun, or activate Nerf gun. So like it's kind of like gambling with your Twitch Prime
with your
sub.
subs. Oh, that's kind of
Yeah.
badass. Is that yeah?
Yeah.
But yeah. So would you do that on like your Twitch channel?
No, I wouldn't.
Oh.
So if
Maybe
you,
like on your Facebook channel.
no, I don't think the API supports Facebook either.
Do you think that?
No, it's
Is there a subscription system for Facebook?
They're supporters, but it's probably an idea better used elsewhere.
Very suited for Twitch. I thought about kind of something like that, but like for I got like for like a sleep. People do sleep. Streams,
Sleep
right?
stream.
Yeah, there's like
I think that
some
would be a good
randomizer
idea.
for that.
Okay. Left assembly, right. So, do you have the right leg or do you have the left leg?
Oh,
I think I want to say this is the right leg because like it's gonna go like this, right? Yeah, I think this is the right leg,
Okay.
and you have the left leg
okay.
because
So it's,
yeah, like that, right? Boing, boing. Yeah,
so
yeah.
that's the right leg.
So yeah, I have the right leg.
Yeah,
I'm pretty sure. I hope.
I see what you mean.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is the right leg assembly. So you just kind of flip yours over and you have your left leg.
Touch.
I mean, there's.
Where does the thrust bearing sit?
It sits. I mean, like there's a video instruction.
There is a video.
Yeah, there you go. Oh, Christ.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So he puts it on. Yeah, I know. Okay,
Got it.
that part.
Okay, just
Add the-
slaps it through.
Bottom leg to the shoulder bolt. Okay.
Oh, that's for the other one. Chills.
And then the top leg.
Oh, and then the nylon.
And then the nut.
Oh, that's fine.
So you do this.
So this is, assume this is mine. So mine wants to.
Here.
So it's like
And then this.
this is the left side. No, this is the left side of the dog, right?
Yeah, you have the left side, so your leg will be pointed towards me. Yeah. So I think
do that.
yeah.
And put that through. Then you want to add your. Oh yeah.
Oh, my bearings.
Yeah. That's important.
So is the nut on top or the bottom?
There's only one way it can go. Oh, I see what you mean.
Yeah.
Like I think it's more like the inner or the outer. Okay. This goes like this. Or it goes like this, but this way. The curve. That's the right way. The curve, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
The curve is correct.
Okay, let's see where he like attaches it.
So where's the
okay,
nut?
nice,
Where's the
thank you.
nut?
Doesn't show shit.
Okay.
Like if we go,
Go down. So it looks like the nut's on the bottom from my perspective.
Cause this has wait.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, there,
Yeah.
that's where you see it. Okay.
So does it really matter like the angles on this? No, right? Because this is designed to be flexible. This feels a little too weak, right? Wouldn't it just get bent?
I think the way we're going to articulate this is maybe another kind of system here.
Oh,
This needs to be,
the back system.
Yeah, there's going to be something there.
Oh. Okay. Oh, I see. So how do we tighten this? Because
Yeah. Pick that, and then you can just use. Oh, perfect. I really like this. This is perfect. This thing, it's like a pliers, but they're
Okay.
always parallel, so it's perfect for nuts. Right, the jaws are always parallel.
Oh.
Unlike these pliers that like are always at an angle.
So how would you use it?
So you'd like take this on here, and then on the bottom.
Oh, you hold the nut. Okay.
Hold on. Yeah, exactly. Okay. I mean, how tight do you make this, John?
This.
Like that's like you don't want to over tighten for sure. You don't want to over tighten.
Oh yeah. I mean, there's some
Resistance.
Yeah.
Maybe even a little looser. So I think you want it to be pretty. It's pretty easy to move, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, mine is. Okay.
All right. We have. Okay.
It's like that.
Yeah. So these are the hind legs.
That's the idea. Yeah, screen cut top down. Okay. Hind legs.
Okay.
Okay. All
All right.
right. Install outer hip assembly.
Outer hip.
Okay, this is a easy, quick, Lego set thing.
Okay.
Just take your
two of these.
yeah. One,
Three, and
another fucking servo.
servo.
I can't wait to put it to natural position.
and then you use the silver things, which I think are these. I'm not even gonna check if it's the right ones anymore.
Yeah, no, there's only like one silver thing.
Two. But now the C screw in the bottom or the top here? Bottom.
Bottom, okay. Put them like that. Now, pop these in there. Fix it again. Nice.
Okay. So this is out hip.
This is, yeah.
Install servo horn on the outside servo. Turn servo horn into neutral position. Fuck the neutral. What? They should. I don't know, man.
Like, yeah, I know what you mean.
Yeah, it's like. There's a quality of life improvement to be made here.
Yeah, there's no way the Boston Dynamics dog makes you like turn the legs to the neutral position.
Okay. Neutral position. Attach the horn. Now what horn are we talking about again? Okay, so it's that. So we don't have the horn. We just have the entire
assembly,
entire stick.
Yeah.
Oh, unless this.
Wait,
no, is this?
Assemble two sides. Okay. Spin cap. Install the servo horn on outsides. Okay.
I mean, I think in any case we're gonna do that disc thing again.
Yeah, probably. Then we'll combine them. Oh, I see. Like
what?
This. Oh no.
So one leg uses 3 servos? Jesus.
Dude, it's well articulating. And also, that begs a question of like, hey, how do we make this touch that? How do we make this servo articulate?
I mean,
because you see how it's 2 servos articulating the same thing.
Oh, I think that's what the nubs are for. Because on the picture, like, I think this is supposed to pull on this eventually. So if we scroll down a bit.
So that must eventually attach to...
That's what I'm hoping. If we... Maybe we can...
Okay, I see what the idea is. Oh my god.
Yes.
There it is. Yeah, it's like a ball. Oh, yeah. That's, oh, yeah. Okay. So...
We're still okay.
We're still good. So we take that and just attach these guys with our thread lock. Fuck you.
Okay, so how do we put this on again? Is it as a cross or as a square?
I assume...
Yeah, what's the angle of the nubs?
The angle of the nubs is... Okay, we got that. Doing that. The angle of the... fuck! Completed for left side, right side. I think it's at another 45.
Okay, 40.
So that means it's like at a cross.
It's a cross.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. See here. Yeah, right there.
Okay.
45s. Okay. Go back to top down. Okay. So we take these guys, and we put them in the tighten it. Put it up there. Oh wait, you gotta make sure they're in neutral position. Oh wait. Not too fast now. Make sure you're in neutral position.
Okay.
Should be at neutral. Yeah, it's not neutral, so I want you to be
So
able
it's
to look.
pointed
Go too far that way.
to the top right. Where's the top right?
That one.
Okay.
About there. So I make that. About that.
For
Perfect. I'll take my block.
3, 4. Okay. So attach the nubbins.
And so if you have, I guess it doesn't matter as long as, so how did you do yours?
So
'Cause we gotta do ours opposites.
yeah. So this is.
I just gotta do mine like that.
So yours would be. So yours is like this, right? So yours would be pointed to the top left.
Yeah, so it's, okay, it's, so this,
Yeah, so-
yeah, well this has to go down like that. So, I mean, it doesn't matter as long as we do opposites, we can swap. For,
Yeah.
State and natural. Okay, we've got our nubs. Now,
Now we.
the way the nubs fit on is something like that.
Yes.
Yeah, and then and then you have the screw going on the back side.
Yeah, so we need I'm guessing the M316s again, which were the long ones. The long boys, which are these.
So if a line inner
2, 3, 4. Okay.
okay. Two long boys. Oh yeah. Nerds who designed this.
Okay.
Wow. I like that kind of. Is yours loose?
Just it's loose on the bottom one, but tighter on the top one.
Just don't want to over thread them or over. I want to strip the screws. I really don't want to strip the screws. That's okay. Okay, we're there. Assemble the two what? Huh? Assemble the two standoffs. Oh, Dude, standoffs go between here, so there's more than 2 points of contact. So these same green guys, copy Control C, Control V.
Should we have done that before we did this?
I mean, they sure don't. I think it's because you can just
you
slide
just
it.
slide it
then,
in.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And it's the M3x10s.
Ah, it's a different one.
That one. And I think we take, before each.
Oh, you gotta try and jam it in there, but then. Really wish they mentioned something like this before.
Yeah, it would be nice.
Okay. We're making pretty good time.
Yeah, it's starting to look like a leg.
Because I feel like we're almost done. Like after we put on the bearings, the stick connecting the Achilles heel,
Yeah,
that's pretty much done.
the whole last leg, right?
That's one leg.
Yeah.
And we just do it again for the front.
For the front leg. And I think the front legs are probably, I don't know if they're the same. Maybe they're less complicated. They're probably different, or else they would have told us to do all four at the same time.
Does
Just gonna hope it's easier.
okay.
Nice.
3 servos, so this part turns, this part turns this, and this part turns this. Interesting. This dog is gonna be like decently sized. It's about the size of Temmie.
Yeah, it's a little Temmie dog, which is very, and I hope to God it walks properly. Because we've kind of freeballed a few of these steps. These guys are hard to put in.
I just gotta use my hand and shove it in there. Oh.
Are you able to get this in there?
I just shove.
Just can't fucking. Are you able to get this? I mean, I can probably get it with pliers, but.
It's gotta go perfectly horizontal. God damn. Yours is a little. Maybe if you go like. Maybe you like slid it in an angle. Right?
Yeah.
And then you like.
You need some pliers for it.
Rotate it once.
Yeah, that's what I was going for. Yeah. I think it's the pliers. I think you get it in at an angle and then. Yeah, these pliers are small.
Oh, we kind of did it.
It keeps like coming out in the pliers, yeah.
Do you think you used the big one?
Oh, those ones are. I got these big boy pliers. Bigger boot.
Okay.
Oh, okay. If you could just go in there. It's like really tight tolerance. Okay.
Oh, almost.
Okay, so I got like halfway. So I'm gonna use that as leverage.
Oh,
yeah.
nice.
All right. I had one more MX-10.
Oh, that makes sense.
Wait, what's by 10?
Yeah, we can just get another one.
I also have a big set of M3s. Oh, never mind. I just found out. Is this the one?
Yeah.
Put this here. What is this one going to be called? Like we want to give personality to this robot, right?
Give it a name.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. I'm thinking we have this one eventually fight the big one.
Oh, that would be awesome.
Yeah.
How sick would it be to have like multiple small dogs fighting one
Like a
big dog?
swarm of them?
Yeah.
I mean, price-wise, we can get 100 of these for one big
That's
dog.
kind of disgusting.
So we can build 100 of these
Imagine.
and like sync it up to like the same
Movement.
controller. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright, and then it's the
That took me a second.
yeah.
Okay, we did the standoffs,
Yeah.
right?
So
And
test
now
the
we're
full
doing
range of motion of each
screen count.
servo. We don't have to test that. I'm sure it's fine. I'll put it like this. Even if it's not right, I'm not unscrewing everything to fix it.
Our dog can just be. He can have like a limp.
Yeah.
He was hurt as a puppy.
Assemble upper extension rod. So
Oh, okay. Oh, nice. Yeah, those are awesome. Yeah.
screw the rod unequally until the distance between the furthest holes on the rod match the holes on the upper carbon leg link.
Oh.
Carbon drill. See picture for clarification.
So I assume it's like. So it's like matching.
Yeah.
Wait, the upper.
Yeah.
okay.
Like, makes sense.
That makes sense. Yeah, just same distance, right? Okay, just go for it.
But how do you? Oh, you need M10 and then a nut to.
With the swivel ball things.
So is it on the inside? It's on the inside. Inside.
So I don't definitely. Is it the okay? So you need. Wait, material. Have we even? Oh. So here's where it's attached. So that's on the.
I'm trying to figure out if it's on the inside or the outside.
So it is on the. So here's the side. So it's on the. So if this is.
This is confusing.
if it's like...
So, yours is...
No.
No.
Fuck. Big. Yeah.
No.
Is mine the right
I
one?
think
No, this is the right one.
I think you're supposed to flip yours. Are you?
Huh? Wait.
Actually,
like this?
Am I supposed to flip?
No, that looks right. Oh. Like that. Like that? Like that. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then it goes like this.
Why is your... But his bearing is low. Your bearing is up here.
His bearing is...
His bearing is like here. Like camera-wise.
Oh, it's like... this? Well, you see... So mine must come down like this, and this top part is the screw.
So this is your side, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, I think it is.
So I'm supposed to mirror.
You're supposed to mirror it, yeah. So yours would go on this side, right? And your screw would go on towards me. I think it's mirrored, right?
Okay. And the nuts on the left.
Well, I think you bring, this like that. Yeah, on the right side, right? Because it's...
Oh, because I'm the mirror.
Yeah. And so then the nut still goes on the inner side, like towards your right and my left. Yeah. Yeah.
What?
So like, I get if you like just hold your thing like your leg like this. Oh, here, let me do that.
But
like if you hold your leg like mine, but like in the mirror.
Yes.
Which is that. We can both just lay it down on top, and the nuts are gonna be towards us, I'm pretty sure.
You're pretty sure?
I'm super sure, because the nut is on the same side as the motor in this, or the screw is on the same side as the motor in this.
Okay.
So.
Now, the bottom, is it under this then?
Huh?
Like, so this is on top.
Oh, right? They should both be on the same side.
Really?
They should.
They should?
I can say, like, almost definitely.
These pictures are terrible.
They're actually pretty out of focus, yeah. But yeah, it's on the same side.
Okay. I think that's a better picture. The one at the bottom.
Yeah, that was stupid as fuck.
Let me get a quick peek here. Okay.
Like here?
So, okay, let's.
So this is with it like this.
Okay, see, here's the awkward thing. Yeah, ours is flipped over.
Yeah.
So if we want to,
if we want to mirror it,
take that, and like go by the picture. This thread. I mean, this thread looks like it's actually under. Okay. Oh.
It's like.
Okay. Yeah, you're right. They're both on
the same side. Yeah. I don't know, like, why. There's no reason they would be on different sides.
Look, the one on the right.
Yeah.
It's on top, right? But the one on the left, it's below it.
Then, oh.
Is that...
Maybe this guy's just a jackass. I mean, functionally, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
It doesn't matter. Like, they're not going to connect to anything. It's not.
My OCD is super triggered.
So, like, we'll just do it mirrored and fuck this guy.
Fuck this guy.
Fuck this guy.
So we're doing top and bottom.
Do we have this? Which screws do we need for this? There's like a screw.
It was the 10 with lock nuts.
10 with a lock nut. Okay.
Here, and lock nuts are here.
Okay. Oh, is this it? You get 2. She's gonna need to use his front legs. We're gonna have to build him like a little, those doggy wheelchairs for the hind legs.
And also, like, the distance, because I don't know how far we're supposed to screw this, because you can technically move this up and down, and the distance changes, right?
Yes, yes. I think that was something about angles that maybe was an other step that we didn't do.
Oh, the verifying positioning thing.
Yeah, could have been that. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I think as long as like this, like his femur and this thing are pretty parallel, you're good.
Yeah, okay.
Like, yeah. Because if it's like too far up, then they would be unparalleled, and then that would be unparalleled.
So it's the lock nut. We're doing it on top. So where does the screw? The screw is going from top to bottom.
Okay. Maybe we should do it like this, so it's easier to screw from the top.
Okay. I mean, like you said, like functionally it doesn't make a difference.
It doesn't make a difference, yeah. You just want to fasten it really. Some nice ball joints. Now, imagine the guy who put this like together, like just made it himself. Fucking nerd.
Femurs increase, and then my lock nut is going from the bottom.
Stop down there. Okay, then I will tighten with this guy. So the way oh, nice. Got a little doggy leg articulation. It's like his Achilles tendon.
Oh. There's something. Do you know there's something a little off here? Yeah. His joint's a little.
He's got a little doggy arthritis. You can
do you think it's a big deal?
I'm sure it's. You can probably, as long as it's like maybe like. Oh, it's just not screwed in at fucking all. Like,
Oh.
Really? Like, see how it's.
It's just gonna come off.
Oh yeah, it's just gonna come off.
Oh, fuck. That seems to be fine. Yeah.
I think that's like when a gymnast rips their Achilles tendon and their leg, it just rolls up the back of their calf. So the motor here articulates that leg. It's kind of badass.
So, have you ever done robotics like this before?
No, not like this. Very different from what I usually do. This is like a lot of advanced stuff. Like the software for this is like, the hardware is pretty hard, but like I think the software is like where it becomes really difficult. Because you have to figure out like how much do you turn this servo, and then how much you turn that one, how much you turn that one. It's like the kinematic model. I did Vex in high school though, 1 year of it.
What's that?
It's like those robotics competitions. It's like the shit bottom level of them though, because our school couldn't afford like, I think the good one was first, and we got Vex, and ours was just like move ball and put it next to other balls instead. First is better than Vex, yeah. Also, we fucking suck.
Okay.
Yeah, kind of sick. The little doggy legs. Here, you can. Yeah, just leave it up.
Legs?
That's kind of sick, kind of fun to play with.
Yeah. So, okay, go all the way to the back, and this is where it's like crouching.
Yeah, that's where they're
extend.
crunching.
Like it can extend pretty far. And then crouch, and then stand. Crouch, and stand. Okay. Very cool.
Huh, oh wow, mine can do that.
Is it?
That's not an intended, it's not a bug, it's more of a feature.
Oh, yeah. Oh, like just this.
Well, because like both can articulate. Because this, so this is where it gets like, this is where it gets like hard in robotics. It's like, because each of these can move, like this can move here, but then it's like, how much do you do this one? And like this can move here, but it's like, how much do you do this one? And it's like, just the fact that you have like two, I don't know, joints or degrees of freedom. There's a word for like each time you add on to like the complexity of the endpoint, but like it increases like how complex the movements. I mean, the calculations.
That's just two servos, because the third servo is this part.
Yeah, it's like the that's the piss servo. Yeah. Okay.
I mean,
that's not that bad. We got some doggy legs.
Are we done with the legs?
Let's see. Let me move it over to screen cap. So,
yeah, we attached this part. I think, yeah, this part is done.
Okay. Oh yeah. We went all the way down here.
Okay.
Oh, body assembly. All right. No video available. Thank you, bastards. He said. I think this is like putting the things in.
Oh,
pretty sure.
We have pre-done for us.
Pre-done for us. Thank God. I think the way they do this is they melt the plastic around them. That's disgusting. I don't want to do that ever. I'm gonna pray that I don't think we have. These are not pre-done.
Oh, yeah, those are.
These
bearings.
are the bearings.
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, it looks like you just pop them in.
Pop them in. Yeah. I wish I had a press of some sort. Yeah, I think you just pop them in. Let you each do it.
I'm guessing the direction doesn't matter.
I don't think. So. Wait, is there another? Oh, the other one's like hollow.
See through.
There. Just pressing.
Just pop them.
Just over pressing the bearing.
When you're talking about like competition robotics, it triggered this memory that I repressed. I was still at a robotics club, and they would go into a robotics competition. I don't do robotics at all, but apparently in this competition, you need a minimum of 4 students.
Okay.
But the 4th student they had for the competition got sick.
Okay.
And they still wanted to go.
All right.
So they asked me to go, and they said, "Oh, you can help out because you know a bit of coding, right?" But I didn't, like, not really robotics coding.
Yeah, because it's different.
So they just asked me to fill in and essentially just be a body for the roles.
Okay.
And I agreed to it. So I didn't realize this, but the competition was 5 hours away.
Okay.
In like a separate city.
Yeah.
So I sat in the car for
5 hours. I'm just processing how gross that is.
And I arrived there, and I'm like, okay, I'm here, might as well try to be helpful. But I couldn't understand a single thing that was going on. So I just sat there quietly for like the entire day, like this 6-hour-long competition. And then I sat in the car back, which also took another 5 hours. So I spent essentially 20 hours.
Just having the saddest day of your entire life.
Yeah, just showing up, sitting in the car, being useless, can't contribute. And the worst thing is, our school got destroyed. They didn't even place into like the second round.
You sacrificed fucking 20 hours of your life.
And I completely forgot that happened until you mentioned robotics competition.
For good reason. I'm kind of wish you just left it buried.
Alright, so bearings are in.
Yeah, push that. Top down. Oh my fucking god. Oh.
It looks big, but we have everything done.
Yeah.
Okay, so
we need, what we need is, what? Wait, 16, oh, we need, I thought that was a measurement. No, it's a quantity. M4 by 8. M4 by 8. Wait, is that the silver ones? Because those are M4, right? Oh, there's an M4 by 10. M4. They should be thicker, boys.
Thick boys?
Yeah, it's as thick as the M4 means the thickness. So. It's gotta be somewhere. It's gotta be somewhere. Start throwing away trash, so.
M3, M4 pens. Can we just use the pens?
I mean, like.
Really is.
We really ain't got any M4 by 8. So.
I think the couple that put this together is like, M4.
Yeah, M4. It's 2 millimeters. What the fuck?
Just tell them to file it down.
Fuck off. We can actually. Oh, you want to see my bench grinder?
Oh, okay.
That is how you could file it down. Check this out, Toast.
Alright, okay.
This bench grinder. If you give me one of those, I mean, you can come over here with me.
So the 10 just represents the length.
Yeah, and then the width is the M thing. I got this like a few days ago.
And you were just looking for something to file down.
Yeah, kind of. It's like you just pop it on, and these are stone wheels.
Okay, it's not that scary. It's getting okay. Okay, it's just winding. It was winding up.
Yeah, it's winding up, and then you can just take these. Like any kind of thing. I like the pliers. I like the pliers because you can kind of keep it really in there. And you just fucking you just kind of. Usually it's I can hold it like here.
Jesus
right?
Christ!
And you just kind of like.
Oh my! What? Your hand is past the. Why does the spark come out at the top?
Oh, it's going like, it's coming from the top. And that's that's like you can file down like millimeters of steel. Ow, it's hot. Like solid millimeters of steel, and then you can like file it up. No, it's like Roman candles. It's not like a painful thing. And it only really sparks with steel, so. Oh, let me get the pliers. But yeah, I bought it, and now I just look for things to grind down.